Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I will be making a homemade version of Applebee's cheeseburger wontons. I didn't try them, however, I'm gonna make them now. I got my hamburger ground beef that I already cooked up. I also have my little wonton wrap. I have my oil cooking up. I want to try to like bend it like this, fry like that, but I don't know how that's gonna work out. I also have bacon that I cooked up. And it come with, well, you'll see this. You feel me? Let me just start. You feel me? I have it on medium high heat, and I'm put like 2 wrappers because I don't know like if it's gonna. It look kind of small. I say it is supposed to be small. They wonton wrappers. I don't know. I think I was expecting for them to be a little bigger than this. I gonna put this in the grease. We don't need to. Alright, I'm gonna take this out first and see. This is hot. I was trying to like, no, I don't think this is gonna work. And I might just need only one. So I'm trying to bend it and it's not working, y'all. Okay, I bend a little bit. Hey, I don't know if this is gonna work, but with this one, I'm gonna fold it in half before I put it in the grease. And then I'm gonna unfold it. Why is it puffing up like this? The other one can do that. I'm gonna have like a little bit of ketchup and I put a little bit of water. Well, I'm gonna put this in there. The stove probably just sound like that because this stove was hot. And I just put this on here. I know it ain't that much, but. And you need dill pickles. My dill pickles. Put a little juice. Mix that up. I'm sure that's not how they do it, but this is how I'm gonna do it. I want moisture on my meat, and then that don't sound right. Oh boy. I want moisture on the ground beef, and then flavor. Alright, I'm gonna make this sauce real quick. It comes with a spicy honey mustard, so I'm gonna use a little bit of regular mustard. And I have honey, so I'm gonna use my maple. I want a little bit more mustard than the maple. I'm gonna add a little bit of my breakfast sauce to it. Now it is a little spicy, but I'm also gonna add some red pepper flakes. I'll put like a half teaspoon. So I don't want it too liquidy. And just a little bit of my red pepper flakes. Mix it up. Music to my ears. Alright, take some. On point. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. Look like I seen cheese first. I'm just praying it don't spill out. Some of the burger. Alright, I got some pickles. I just cut it up and place it in here. When I tell you I didn't know this had stopped on me, now I don't know what it stopped at, because why would you do that? And then this is like the best looking shell. The other shells look kind of like, ugh. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Do it look like it? I am good to it. I don't know how Applebee's tastes, but I know how Chase tastes. G-double-O-D good. Just like I thought it would. This is good. I like the spicy honey mustard, the crispness of the wonton. I love cheeseburger anyways. However, I do want some ketchup because I love ketchup on my burgers. And just like that, I got it. Yeah, the ketchup brought it up a little notch. And then they do a pickle taste, not only from the pickles in it, but the pickles I put. Got it? Make it. I do want the wontons just a little bit because I was trying to. My first time doing it, and I'm trying to see how to. Yeah. So I need to work on the wonton just a little bit. Start giving up for now. Try it. Yeah, but see.